Do you have a 2007 to a 2014 Cadillac Escalade? If you have one of these years, you probably want to check out my channel. In there, I will show you tons of repairs that you can do yourself with very little tools. It'll save you tons of money than rather you going to the dealership to have the work done. Just click up on the right hand corner and it'll take you to my playlist. But before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Has this happened to you? You're driving along, then all of a sudden, a car pulls out in front of you. Or this happens to you. Next thing you know, your coffee or your soda just spilled all over your console. Even though you've wiped it down with paper towels, it's still not clean. All that soda got into your nooks and crannies in your center console. Not only has your coffee or soda caramelized into your center console, your doors don't work very well and they don't lock properly. Let me show you how you can clean this really good. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is remove any trash from your cup holder storage area on your center console. Then what you're going to do is you're going to flip up both of your center console lid. Flip it up out of the way because you need to get that out of the way to remove your center console cup holder. Once you've done that, go ahead and open up both doors. Now with both hands, use gentle pressure and push upwards, and your center console should pop right up. Now if you're having a little trouble unsnapping this, because they're just snapped in, you can use some plastic tools that Harbor Freight offers, but I wouldn't recommend it because you could crack this plate. Trust me, this center console will come up. Once it pops out, go ahead and move your center console to the right side. If you notice, there's a plug underneath. That's for your cigarette lighter. Just unsnap that. It's really easy. Once you have it unsnapped, let's go into your kitchen. Okay, now we're going to clean the center console. Now this is really easy to do. I didn't shoot a video of it because it's pretty much self-explanatory. It's pretty easy. All you're going to do is take your center console cup holder and you're going to put warm water in your sink with a antibacterial dish soap. Let it soak for about an hour so it breaks down all the sugars and then rinse it out. It's pretty simple. If you need to do this 2 or 3 times, then go ahead. Once you have it done, you can set it aside and let it air dry, or you can take a blow dryer to dry it. Just be cognizant not to overheat it because plastic does melt, as you know. One of the things you may want to think about doing is replacing your cigarette lighter fixture. Since you have it apart, these tend to go out, so right now would be a good time to replace it. You can do this for like under, I want to say 25 bucks. Click above on the right hand corner, it'll take you to my video on how to replace that. Anyway, once you have it all dry, let's go back in the car. Okay, you don't have to do this, but this is what I'm going to do. I have some caliper grease. You can use any kind of grease you want, but I'm going to grease these 4 openings so when the metal snaps go in, they kind of get greased up a little bit. So the next time, for whatever reason, I can unsnap this console out pretty easy. I plan to upgrade my stereo in the near future. Okay, now that we got our console in the car, you're going to put the console to the right of you, or to the right of the opening. We're going to plug in our power cord to the cigarette lighter fixture. It only goes in one way. Just make sure you snap it in. You'll hear it click. Once you have it snapped in, carefully lay the console down. Now it's probably not going to fit. You're going to have to lift your center console compartment. You're going to have to open it up so it fits in there. Once it slides in, now carefully align the 4 snaps so you can feel that they're aligned with the holes. And then once you have it aligned, gently push down and your console should snap in. Now we have our console clean and sterilized. Don't pay hundreds of dollars to have this done. You can do it yourself, and as you can see, it doesn't cost anything. Well, I hope this video helped, and I hope we see you at my next video. Bye! Okay, well I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was very informative. Please check out my other how-to videos. Oh, and check out my new website. There's new items being put in there every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course, hit the bell. Until then, we'll see you at my next video. Bye!